fine.
Oh, say any myself when they motis rohone ya form. 90 then talking about American then royalties no BB bad and so what your royalties. Sako de royalties amount.
Now underground boy come dem no. There any royalties.
Oh, na say na or chiche royalties na say or catch the interview be no say royalty omo no me adwuma no.
No, okay, sir, end them in town.
Because no, what the strong man now say cry strong man can say strong man.
But when you're sure say it's because strong man was on his label.
But then if you feature on someone's track, are you not entitled to royalties?
You are entitled to royalties.
And then we say BB ban or the aba.
But what?
Hold on. What is say or chiche BB ba royalties? The abit me usam say me the aba.
Oh, okay. No, because he was asked about royalties. No, can Akwaboa say even Akwaboa
ne strong man penalty.
Okay.
But hey.
No,
Akwaboa.
I don't know many. And I saw if you know chose Miss Carden. But as a den, I'm walking there. Now, she said, dear, maybe I know no feel say, I am in Sini Papa Payon Quine. Maybe I know and I'm saying I'm maybe Shan. She said, I'm a could change Casamage. But as a den, we needed his platform more than the money.
Okay.
Because was only the first person on the VGM estate. So. Yes, black and
white.
Yes. Make I yes. And that was amazing. And, so yeah. Okay, so that is up to speed on. Anyway, that's when Amerado ne wa Moisa Amerado wa hanom. But then men ko TGM Amerado abe bona adwen say onim de ntia besi ne. Ye man nomination artist of the year. Obo adwuma year bia hu say o kan mo bo adwuma but minim say artist of the year na dey who's a VGM for ne was some personal or ana because here be our crown now my who say yeah be artist be the works a better abonting year ni nyina do year and you have done it consistently by a snowbill.
Oh, the only year na me feel say I was some call artist of the year category in year last year.
Oh, come now for 3 years or 2 years.
Me count artist of the year once them though.
Me but you can want them that. Tell me you know I follow
the receipt. Oh, me a crowd bonne pa ba me chantro.
Artist of the year.
Last year. Last year, to me. Na me who say me ne paluta boy adwuma. Enti na o say me wo hobby.
Okay.
What you say? The other year now before last year na yakwa na no man nominate no.
Na o kan.
Man nominate original na me kan ho asem.
Oh, okay.
Enti artist of the year conversation was last year. Na me feel say my boss so many hit songs. My relevant, my boy international shows, my boy shows be Ghana. I didn't know me so. But aside the nomination artist.
Or just what is not working for you for artist of the year nomination? Then one who say key Ben one who say oh lucky key way out with me. Because it looks like your dream of becoming a nominee for artist of the year as well push our bread.
Remember, key be any baby key na say instrument be toso. So you can see you. But one thing you ma where you saying you the dance later nowadays. I don't want to be. And me, for instance, baby, I'm a free man. I have nothing to lose. Obi to say me say when me kwa obi to ma bomi ekumi. Because me too blow back okra. But me kwa na me trust kwa adamo. Ati say me I have nothing to lose. Artist of the year no. Say me boy djuma no boy djuma. Just me janya to. Can promise bre nya no awini. When they say this year djuma way. About 3 months say when they say about boy djuma say.
Until when they say this year.
Fra on ne ko to nyom. And again, you big things. Yeah, what is our theater na makoma? Say, na fresh.
Oh, yeah, I know. Okay, one of celebrity crashing.
Ghana was
say they say they jaja. Me timi ko hwe pictures keke.
Wendy,
e wo Instagram.
They be an offer.
Hey, until also okay celebrity. Say oh yeah, that Wendy. Ba oh yeah, that no.
Body na fe ba o emi aba.
And only asem.
Oh, adman body pa.
Na compare there.
Anu nya openam pa.
Do better go pa adwen.
Pot openam.
One here.
Open number. That is why you know they are kind of. I think that you see, you just admire them like you are saying or your sister. Is that how admire delay? I mean, it's just admiration and all. Error. Say, I didn't know me what delay. I say error. That I'm disappointed. You
are disappointed. Me disappointed because since 2022, I think.
Sometimes we feel say, interview. But then, what's the award? What dedicated man?
Because the award, no, she was very influential in it. Obiabwa, o promote Obia. But I didn't mean to nana say. But since 2022, me interview say.
Do you think that there will ever be a time I ever bought brand I am for delay in Kahu? And why do you? Because
I didn't think I do a intimate brand.
But I didn't think I the entire man disappointed and say, okay, error no. Obia on Tiasiano. ebeka say because we delete interviews in every YouTube channel ntina oka error no enti e bia ma yenti ase ade na mbo delete ya
interviews we delete interviews through me interviews through YouTuber we delete me nyom and we delete me talent we delete me interviews through YouTuber we delete me talent. I'm tired of back and forth now because interview be a delete mama ni din na
but the under until say one kasa na obe pejama yeti yenti ayo na ma ye hu say delete interviews na
me na TikTok na ma ko scrolling na ma hu say obi abetwa to say na delete no be 2 months ago minim
enti no wo na abekan
but a public interview delete no me kwa na mintimi nka say delete.
But what people are saying is say you had direct access to it. I don't know one friend and Busan say Bia Oba.
Now I no need direct access to me. I no so an kan chem say o delete. I say when I port o kan. Nipa nyam kura o grow.
Fantastic.
But now you are hurt
for the
you are hurt like delay I hurt you. Because this is the first time I can delay one sema. You are answering the questions and your face is not beaming with smile.
Am I not smiling?
No. This is your smart tail.
I think that answers in the mode.
No. Hold on.
Say, come
me because no hold on. Okay. Me because my brain is since 2022. Me ko interview be a delay. And me free interview na say no. Na me ko no cry.
And since 2022 to some of us and can 2025 and can me musa delay at until 2025 no wa ko fa ba. Me a journalist and I'm yet your baby now say I didn't delay I could delete interview.
And say no na a trigger on.
Many journalists France offensive busa me dem busa I didn't know all direct access to delay considering friendship and names on any we delete interview.
But on your show first question was when I say I didn't know no delete interviews no.
Okay, meaning say on reaching out personally.
No, why would I?
So that is why people are suspecting say problem or who there to you there.
Hold on, Port. Me know you're fine, right? Me know you're fine.
Right.
Now anyway, Mbabe drop me EP Friday we defy all.
Me who you beka wasim.
We are can switch.
Na be to
me know you're fine.
Trim.
Boni bi ani ho.
Yonko.
Obo me career. Me so me pa wasem. Na me to me nya ohwe. Ne we delete me interview. O wan kan how.
Me so me know you're fine kwabna. See the me pe wasemi. Yensi antuma gufin hatawa bonten. Esa manfo be dwene niam. Na me hu se why bibi mani nje ho. First na me frɛ no say.
Hold on. But call be some man in the
that be who was a American. Me say me wa come free because of yensi and tumagufi. Me have say.
Nantwana yes ya hata we no. Me say. Nantwana we deleted that. Why you being biased?
Oh, maintain you. On
now they have a crowd issue. When say delay me penance to level. I some and I'm some as on ebi a untimi nane mo be ha na adwe
because
money din na
come now because woman din da
be apart nso
na me ma head
una okokan ni ati o me say untima ase o me say
hold on
anka if you respect relationship now respect no anka also be frɛ fafon afrɛ say me sister panyu
show business nipa na ko delete me interview o say me nko frɛ no how do you know say even say my friend put on the phone how do you know say even come reche no and my friend na me nya
no ntina ye busa we
come now let's away from this delay because I say now yenyina okay yenyina come now till date delay one of a man or brands be pray I'll promote you star bia delay ni free bia promoting a brand or the brand ambassador and associate I've never seen you I'll delay using you to activate any of the products ever since. Oh yeah, I didn't hear.
There we go again.
Me busa.
Na question.
Me sure o si me nyina.
Question ya obusa. When me 3 million on one was so.
No. Me busa say has delay ever offered you any conversation say me patcho bo
me ka say mo nchro. HD plus. Na me ambassador mo e delay. I him for biempo.
No mechanic products.
But hold on. Before the products beba no. Delay bread ya okay. Delay oni misusun class eba. But enya se tintina.
What post your page da?
Obi brand me go post on page na yetu ameka. Into ameka.
Abna this is coming to me as a shock.
Shock ben. Yanko yanim.
So okay, so you expect Delay to pay you before you endorse any of the brands?
But enya brand, am I not a brand?
Okay.
But if you one, I could 2. If you 2, I could 3. What you say? See, I'm here. So being here delay for advert and Abibia on Janica.
But that delay say on also promote to our DJ award no went to Janica. Now Tiana
now the numbers that I know so many advert and my delay man.
Same way.
Me can be free all there, but
do you regret having delay being part of your life? Do you regret having that connection with
Na me pengu. I don't regret it. Such a big brand.
And you move on. You move on.
Anyway, away from that.